My name is Caitlyn. I'm a junior and I transferred here last year as a sophomore. I think I transferred here for the same reason why a lot of people pick Pinewood in the first place, and that starts with the community, and it just felt very family-like to me. And then also the fact that there are just so many opportunities here for someone to do. I think the first day I was here, maybe the second day I was here, a group of girls invited me to go out and get frozen yogurt with them, and that's kind of just where I knew I was in the right place because everyone here is just so welcoming. And you get along with everyone and you make such strong connections with the people around you in both your grade and other grades and even with the staff here. And then also there's just so many things that Pinewood allows you to do. Like you can be a part of so many clubs, you can play a sport, there's athletes in theater, like that's something I want to do next year, hopefully. I get to be on student council, like I get to be in all these leadership positions, and that's just something really great about being here. I think I've grown a lot as a communicator in general. Like part of that comes from getting to be in these leadership positions, but also part of that comes with the way that Pinewood fosters that sort of student-teacher relationship and allows students to communicate with their teachers and advocate for themselves and talk to their teachers about assignments and stuff. So that's allowed me to like be able to articulate what I need, and then also articulate what I'm trying to say to other people from a leadership position and from like a student position as well. For me, being a Pinewood athlete is just so much better here because I have such special connections with every single person that might show up to the game that might be in the Panther pit. And kind of because of that camaraderie, it just makes like after games when you see people there so much more special. My friends and I started this tradition where we take photos together after every single home game. And it's just so nice to like connect with everyone after, especially when teachers come as well. Like they'll tell you in class, oh, I'm coming to your game tonight. Pinewood gives you so many great chances to just engage, whether that means like engaging with people, engaging with your fellow classmates or teachers in that way, or it just means like engaging in activities and engaging in that community, whether it's you yourself doing the activities and like taking advantage of those opportunities, or engaging in like activities in the sense of like you're going to activities, going to the shows, you're going to the games, you're even like going to the front of the group in the assemblies and participating in those games. Like that's the best thing ever. I love doing that. I sang karaoke in front of the whole school, like running around the gym or something. But I think just in general, like the idea of engagement at Pinewood is so great, and that is why I would come here.